Hello and welcome everyone. In the next couple of minutes, I want to provide an overview of the paper Exploring Blockchain for Disaster Prevention Relief, a comprehensive framework based on industry case studies, which was published online in May 2023 in the Journal of Business Logistics. I wrote this paper together with Abdurrahman Recep. Given that many academic papers on the impact of blockchain on supply chain management have already been published, I assume that you might ask yourself, what is so specific about this one? Well, a lot of existing research is really outstanding, but we still don't see many working applications in the industry, and it would be good to learn from the successful ones. Additionally, humanitarian supply chains are a highly interesting topic, and quite obviously, they are very different from regular supply chains, because they need to work only in case a disaster happens. If it happens, however, then help is needed fast. There is a dearth of both practical applications and systematic and academic research into how those existing blockchain solutions actually help to prevent disasters or alleviate their negative impacts. The purpose of our study is therefore to extend previous research by investigating existing blockchain solutions using a rigorous multiple case study approach. The first thing that we did was to search in the literature for various reasons why blockchain might be used in a disaster prevention and relief scenario. We found 4 of them. The first one is the improvement of transparency and traceability of relief supply chains. The second one is the sharing of resources and processes during a disaster situation. The third one is the enhancement of collaboration and interoperability during such a situation. And the final one is the strengthening of security and privacy during an emergency. Based on these reasons, we then designed our own empirical study, in which we thoroughly investigated companies that apply blockchain technology as a solution for disaster prevention and relief. Our findings are in fact very detailed and based on the analysis of numerous interviews, but also additional material, such as company reports and product presentations. We summarize these findings in a very comprehensive framework that illustrates why blockchain technologies are deployed in disaster prevention and relief scenarios. The reasons can be clustered into 4 areas. First, companies' underlying motivations. Second, information exchange and collaboration. Third, trust and security. And fourth, crisis management. We also highlight those blockchain properties that are actually useful in such situations. Examples include decentralization, immutability of data, auditability, and access control. We then identify several contingency factors that ultimately determine whether a specific solution will be successful or not. These factors relate to the environment, the technology, or the end users. Finally, we show who the important stakeholders are and in what they are interested. These include the victims, donors, technology providers, suppliers, rescue personnel, and humanitarian organizations. In our paper, we not only summarize previous research and present our own findings, but also develop a framework that can be used by other researchers as a starting point for further in-depth investigations. Practitioners might find it interesting to learn about blockchain's potential for disaster management. In summary, we hope that our research provides a solid foundation for future studies in this very important area and also inspires practical solutions that support future disaster management. Thank you.